Last year, I had the opportunity to participate in a working group at UT Austin in which group members explored ways to improve metadata and reduce proprietary file formats in the Texas data repository. As a result of my work on the group, I created a suite of Python scripts designed to help promote use of open file formats in the repository. The code is hosted on GitHub and currently consists of 3 different Python scripts. 2 of the scripts automatically convert specified proprietary file formats to open formats, for example, PowerPoint files to PDFs, and check if R in Python code is valid, printing any of the errors encountered if it is not. One of the scripts goes through all folders in a directory, converts files to open formats, and deletes files in proprietary formats when complete, and the other only checks and converts files in the current folder and leaves all files intact. The third script searches through uploads to the Texas data repository within a specified date range and outputs an Excel workbook or CSV with the dataverses and their files, flagging files with proprietary extensions by highlighting them in red. Python was chosen due to its large existing user base within cultural heritage institutions, as well as its built-in libraries that naturally lend themselves to working with APIs. The code is hosted on GitHub with a GNU general public license to allow for others to modify and redistribute the scripts with minimal restrictions. I hope the code will prove useful to the broader community of Dataverse users and that other developers will add to or edit the code as the need arises, making Dataverse content more openly accessible to all.